Hey guys! Welcome to my channel.
So it's been a while not cleaning my cage. So I decided to clean today. Let's get into the video. Shifting my birds to small cage.
I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what.
Guys, where are we?
Cause enough is enough.
Finally got them. Bath time. Looks cute, love them. Removed all the things. Cleaning the ladder. It's all clean. Scrubbing the tray to get rid of all poops.
Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Washing the pot. Looks fresh. Cleaning the stick and the cage.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said
It's
some
all
shit
clean.
that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed?
And at the end, washing the most important things, that is food and water bowls.
Cause I know you got me fucked.
Kept all the things under sun to dry.
An eternity later.
Setting up the cage. Pot. Ladder. Back to home, budgies. It's all set.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.